So we have science and philosophy. So science deals with what? The functioning of the universe. Philosophy deals with what? What? The nature of the entity, the nature of the source, which is controlling, which is becoming everything. Okay? Now, you come to science, pure science. You might have studied science in your high school or degree, anywhere. In science, there is a culture. What? When you introduce a term, first you define it. Without a definition, no discussion will be there. Momentum. How do you define? Mass into velocity. It is a product of mass into velocity. Define that first. Density. Mass by volume. Is that not? Velocity. Distance moved per second. So in science, we define the term first and then we discuss. Without a definition, science will not accept discussion. It will define it. That is a culture of science. Now when you come to philosophy, there are many terms. You say physical body, you say astral body, you say soul, you say mind, you say Atma. Terms are there, but no precise definition. That is a limitation of philosophy. Anybody can say anything. No precise definition. But that is not possible in science. If you say density, whether it is the President of India or the President of America, he has to say the density in the same way. He has to define the density only in the same way. Is it not? That is science. But in philosophy, there is no proper definition. How do you define soul? How do you define Atma? How do you define the astral body? No definition. So, the point is here, we must make philosophy also scientific. So first, make philosophy scientific. Whatever term you are using in philosophy, give a definition first. What do you mean by Atma? What do you mean by soul? What do you mean by the life energy? What do you mean by the astral body? So that is a new culture now emerging. We use the same term, but with a definition. This new culture of defining the terms, as in science, this culture, only recently a great thinker started introducing a new culture. What is a new culture? Defining the term first, and then discussing that. Such a scientific approach, a new culture recently was developed. By whom? The great thinker Vethathiri Maharishi. That is his greatness. He accepts everything, but he gives a definition. And then you discuss. So that is what the greatness of Vethathiri Maharishi. For the first time we have a thinker to give a definition for everything. And then start discussing that. Okay? So now, in a very broad way, we will come to the definition. And then we will discuss, okay?